So that is the plan for this quarter. This should definitely bring us great profits this year. Just hold on a second. Okay, so someone from the HR is going to be here with a few new policies that they would like to discuss with us.
Hello everyone, I have a small announcement to make. This year for Diwali, we have decided to celebrate a safe and green Diwali. All of you are expected to take a pledge in the Diwali meeting for this new initiative. We hope to celebrate a good pollution-free and breathable festival of light.
I'm sorry to say, but I won't be pledging in.
But it is such a good cause, so why not?
I agree. There is so much pollution these days. With firecrackers less this Diwali, it will surely decrease.
Industrial elements have the largest contribution to pollution. And I think that the daily use home appliances add much more to pollution than a few days of bursting firecrackers. I personally feel this is not as good a pledge as people think it to be. Whenever we think of Diwali, our childhood memories are of bursting firecrackers, how our eyes used to sparkle with joy when the flower pots used to light up the entire area, how the rockets used to explode in the sky, lighting it up beautifully.
Diwali is known as the festival of lights, and there is a high chance that this festival was manipulated over time to burst these dangerous firecrackers and pollute the air.
Diwali is indeed known as the festival of lights, and I feel a lot of firecrackers produce a lot of light, so their use must be promoted. And the use of firecrackers was not manipulated over time. The Arthashastra by Chanakya and the Titaritya Samhita are both proof of that.
But I still believe that it's a waste of money and, polluting by buying firecrackers and celebrating Diwali by lighting up the diya outside. No.
By buying Diwali celebration material from those who are poor, you're actually helping them out. If nothing, their smile would definitely make you feel the purchase is worth it. Burning a diya is the significance of the victory of Lord Ram over Ravan. Victory of light over dark. Burning a ghee diya not only gives a soothing fragrance, but it has many health benefits because it kills the germs around it. But what surprises and astonishes me right now is how the people are protesting against a ritual, a celebration that has been ingrained in our culture for years. But they absolutely have no problem when there's bursting of firecrackers on unnecessary occasions.
Yeah, totally. When the Britishers came to India, they knew they had to break our culture to take over. They stopped Gurukuls and then step by step banned everything that celebrates India's culture. If we today don't protect our original culture, we would end up bursting bubble wraps for Diwali in the future.
I have heard and understood your concerns, and I'll make sure that the same is escalated and that the new initiative is taken.
Namaste. Team Dramatics wishes you a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. This Diwali, I just take a pledge, but a different one. A pledge that I will only buy lights and diyas from the needy. I pledge that I will only emit light to illuminate the area around us. Let's celebrate Diwali our way with pride and joy. Happy Diwali.
श्री राम